Chicago taxicab drivers are treated very unfairly by the city. Drivers have been denied of fare increases for the last 7-8 years while the cost of living was increasing. Chicago cab drivers are the worst treated. At a fare meter increase hearing back in October 2007, Commissioner Norma Reyes at the time denied cab drivers a fare increase, but the city raised our administration fines 33%. When someone complains on a cab driver, the driver gets called down for an administration hearing held at 400 West Superior. The city administration has cab drivers guilty before they even say anything in their defense. When I was called down to appear at a hearing, the city attorney wanted to talk to me first before I decided on a hearing. I tried to tell the attorney my side of the complaint made against me, but the city attorney says he doesn't care what I have to say in my defense. So I was forced to hire an outside labor attorney who helped me get the complaint dismissed because I felt I wasn't going to get anywhere trying to fight this myself. There are attorneys walking around in the halls at the city administration building for drivers to hire, but these attorneys never helps the drivers get their cases dismissed. These attorneys only get the drivers' fines reduced rather than getting their complaints dismissed. When a driver gets called to appear for a hearing, the city attorney will call the driver to meet with him in the back room of the courtroom first. The attorney talks to the driver, telling the driver what he or she is being charged for, and tries to make a deal with the driver. The city attorney tells the driver that he or she is being charged with 5 violations. If the driver pleads guilty, the city attorney will cut down from 5 violations to 2 violations and offers the driver to pay an agreeable amount plus court cost. If the driver decides to go with a trial instead, the driver will be given a date when to appear in front of the hearing officer. When the driver appears in front of the hearing officer, the driver denies the right to face his accuser, and a speakerphone is used to call the accuser at the hearing. The driver will be found wrongfully guilty for the purpose of taking the driver's money. The driver is charged for all 5 violations, plus the driver will end up paying more for the fines and plus court costs. The city uses cab drivers as if they were their ATM machines whenever they want money.